Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, as you all know, PayPal is one of the most trusted payment methods worldwide. So in today's small tutorial, we're really gonna talk on how to actually integrate Shopify with PayPal in 2026, the latest version, so your customers can check out faster and easier. So basically, we're gonna get started by you looking for Shopify in the search bar. Just look for this one and basically log in using your email address and payment and password. Since we are looking for this payment dashboard. Okay, so basically all we're gonna do is make sure, as I told you before, log in, go all the way to the settings. After this, we're gonna go and look for the payments option. It's here basically the fourth, I guess. Yep. As you see here, you have a button, Activate PayPal. All you're gonna do is tap on Activate and log in to your PayPal account. Then make sure to grant permissions. Approve Shopify access to connect your PayPal account. Then confirm email addresses. Make sure your PayPal email matches your business email. Then enable PayPal Express Checkout. This allows faster checkout for customers. And that's basically it. Thank you all basically for checking this part. And now we're gonna move to the second one. Okay, so for the second option, what we have, let's say for example, you couldn't find it, you couldn't find PayPal. So we're gonna go all the way back. We're gonna go to the main screen here. So as you see here, when you are just opening your shop, everything is looking fine. You're gonna be able to see this PayPal icon. Tap on Activate here. Well, this will automatically take you to this PayPal area where basically you can either add a payment method. Okay, we're gonna go and look for PayPal, for example. We have PayPay, we have basically much more options. You can also look for Visa cards, MasterCards, or even whatever, it depends on you. And that's basically it. Thank you all for watching this whole process, and I will see you in the next video.